Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today we're checking out a Kriss Vector, of course chambered in 45 ACP. I made a previous video on this, and basically the polymer down here, or the plastic guard, was all done in flat dark earth. I sprayed it the wrong color, so had to do the right color, and this is Sniper Gray, Cerakote of course, and yeah, turned out pretty good. It's a lot more subtle. I kind of like a little more contrast when you're, changing something, but subtlety is sometimes key, and this definitely is. Black and Sniper Gray. Of course, you can imagine in lower light conditions, it's almost the same color. So. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. It's just one little thing. It's not like I customized the gun in any sort of way other than the color. But it looks good, all in all. Not a bad job by any means. As always, y'all, questions, comments, concerns, leave them, and I will answer accordingly. Until next time.